Melissa's afraid of clowns. That's just awesome. I stopped it.
Hey, this is first from Melissa and Caitlin. I'm reading it.
You were there when I typed it up.
With friends and we decided to make a YouTube channel and add videos because we were bored.
That was my idea.
Videos. Comment them. You can ask us any questions or to message us. Comment on our channel and videos.
Or videos.
Oh, that's a thing. What?
My kitty is being adorable.
Who's your kitty?
Hello guys, this is my kitty Tom. Aww.
This video might stop, so sorry.
Yeah. Oh, look at him stretch. He's such a cutie. Melissa, we cannot see the cute cat. Move your ugly face. No, I'm kidding. Move your arm then. There you go. Oh. Yeah, because we all know kitty butt is just adorable. Aww. Oh, that is just so cute. He's adorable. His tail. His tail.